Howdy, my name is Derek Henry, and if you like using conditional formatting in Excel to make your files look great and to help reduce risk, then I've got an awesome tool for you that's going to help you do that so quickly and give you several default examples to choose from. So let's jump in and look at some of those. Now, first of all, I like to use banding to show different rows, different colors on different rows. So we're going to use this macro called Conditional Formatting Picker that gives you an array of options in this menu that you can pick from, several different defaults. You can even show the conditional formatting prompt there with Q. That's my default because I do that quite a bit. But I'm just going to press A and add banding. As you can see, the alternating colors show up automatically. Now, next what we want to do with that already in play, we're going to add another option. We're going to use option V here that's going to add red and green fonts, and when it's got 0 we're going to give it an NA. Okay, so it's not going to have anything if it's 0. Now the next thing I want to add is option G here that gives you the ability to define a threshold, and if the number is outside of that threshold using absolute values, it's going to color it green, otherwise it's going to be red. Now, this is awesome for checking tie-outs. I often have a sheet where all the tie-outs in the entire file are in one place, and the colors just help you see those very quickly. Another option you can do is highlight the hard-coded items within the cell range. Okay, so we're going to use option R, and notice that all of those hard-coded amounts are highlighted in pink, so you can easily find them, and you can toggle that on and off very quickly. And I'm going to toggle that off just to prove my point here. Okay, so we're going to remove those very quickly. Another thing you can do is highlight blanks. Okay, so just option B there. Now, if you don't want to use yellow, there is a way to set your own colors for all these different options. So if you want to use green or red or purple or whatever you feel like, you can do that to your heart's delight. So I hope you found some things that help you reduce risk and find errors in your files. We'll go through this one more time just to show you some of the options here. Highlighting formula errors, that is a big one. Highlighting duplicates, highlighting not just hard-coded values, but formulas that contain them. That is a huge one. I use that all the time, and again, it's easy to toggle those on and off so that you can just do a quick check and move on. And of course, many of the other options for color scales, icons, data bars, top values, the ones that you can do in default, this just gives you a shortcut to apply them very easily. You can also pause your conditioning formatting rules, and you can clear them within the selection of the sheet, and then you can also apply these in bulk if you need to do that very quickly. You want to kind of save some of your favorite settings, just adjust the range when your report changes. You can do that as well. So hopefully you found something you like with this. It saves me a lot of time, reduces a lot of risk. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up, add a comment, share with a friend, and again, try this out for yourself today. Use the QR code here at the bottom to do that, along with many, many other tools that make your life easier in Excel and save you a couple hundred hours a year. Thanks for watching and have an awesome, excellent rest of your day.